Alright guys, today we're going to replace this 4-ton, I think it's a 13 SEER system, with a 4-ton 2-stage American Standard system. Let's see, it's PA 14, so it's a 14 SEER system from 2009. It's a pane unit. We're going to get this thing pumped down and start ripping it out.
Man, he came to the job to come film today.
Man.
We got our professional photographer.
Show everyone what we're dealing with here.
You never sent me anything from the shop yesterday.
Yeah, I'll send it today, or I guess you can film it today. Huh?
I can get something today.
Chris didn't bring that up, dude.
I don't think he did. Fire him. He's done.
Say hi for the camera, Taylor.
Are you videoing?
Show you all the progress that we're making. Taylor's cutting in the tabs for the plenum. Got a cooling furnace tongue. Blue pipe ran out. Still got to do our gas line, hook up all of the ducts, add a return and a supply duct, drain pan, and weld it all in, and of course the condenser. Alright, little update here. Got the return plenum on. Dad's hooking up one of these this 18-inch return. Got the furnace pretty much set in place. The gas line, blue pipes all hooked up. Still gotta braze it in, finish some drain line work, and mastic everything. Coming along real nice.
Make sure you squeeze the squeegee. If you don't use the squeegee, it's not right.
You got any words for him, Dad?
No! Keep up the good work, gentlemen.
Chris, you got anything to say?
We got poopy on my new unit.
Yeah, we need some poopy, man.
Yeah. That's right.
I'll try not to move that unit as much. Y'all try not to move that unit, please.
Oh, boy, the ball's already in play down here.
Dude, they got hot. We got stickers.
I'll go grab them.
So guys, we haven't started it yet. But this is kind of what our product's going to look like. Every duct is sealed with mastic. We added an additional return duct. Got our filter rack plenum box. Got our system installed, of course. Everything's done to code.
Of course.
Evaporator and the drain pan. We put these little boots on here. Makes it real easy when you got to flush a drain line. You just unhook that and the whole thing comes off. Code here is you have to put a P-trap in and wrap it in Armaflex. Our entire system is sealed up. There won't be any air leaks anywhere on here. We actually added an additional supply run for him to his master bedroom. What do you think, Dad?
Oh, it looks perfect.
Good looking job, Ed. Checking our static pressure. We're at 0.52. It doesn't get much better than that. 0.5 is perfect. It's really difficult to get a perfect 0.5. So we got 0.4 on the supply side, 0.11 on our return side. That's a very well installed system. Yeah, one on the outside. Of course, no job is complete without a sticker to mark your beautiful work you've done. What do you think, Dad?
I think it's great. I think you ought to have the homeowner come up and take a look at it.
Alright guys, one last look at the indoor unit before we go check the charge on the outdoor unit. I'm really pleased with how it turned out. Alright guys, our unit's been on about 10 minutes. About 15 degrees of superheat and 11 degrees of subcooling. 125 on the low side and 263 on the high side. Let's see what our temperature is outside here. About 70 or so. Our data plate calls for a 10 degree, you can see that, calls for a 10 degree subcooling, plus or minus 3, and we are at 12, so I am definitely okay with that. I'm going to put my locking Freon caps on here, strap my Armaflex down. This is code here, by the way. We have to have this UV resistant stuff. We call it Gator Flex. It kind of looks like a gator skin boot. Got everything sealed up real nice. Got our thermostat wire ran in a conduit. We used the existing electrical that penetrated from the wall, but put a new sleeve over it and put some silicone on it right there. Nice new disconnect with a pretty sticker and siliconed all around it. This one here is about done, guys. Looks real nice, runs real nice. I think they're gonna be real happy with it. Alright guys, so I don't know if I ever mentioned it or not, but that was actually a 2-stage 17 SEER American Standard system. I was really happy with the way it turned out. It looked good, it performed good. It was really neat to see that didn't have to do anything to adjust static. It was dialed right in. The refrigerant charge was dialed right in. Thermostat took right off, and setup was real easy for the customer. They're ecstatic. I mean, they really like the setup and the system. What they had before was about a 25-year-old, I think it was a York unit, and a 2009 Payne unit. So definitely, and it just wasn't installed very well. Whoever had been over there working on it, or whoever installed it, just doesn't look like they took a lot of pride in their craft. We've got something really nice now. That's a pretty standard install for the way we do things. We changed the return plenums, we changed the supply plenums, the equipment, of course, drain pan, flow switch, etc. So what you got to see was pretty much how most of our jobs look in terms of what the client actually gets for their money. Really happy with it. I hope that the video is entertaining to you. I'm going to try to keep on getting better and better at pumping this content out, and hopefully get better with my editing skills and my conversational skills. It's kind of weird just sitting here talking to a camera without somebody conversing back with me, so still a little bit awkward there. I've got a lot to learn on that. But thank you guys for coming along on the ride. I hope that you enjoyed the video. We'll see you on the next one.